guys. Yep, it's sludge, but not. I've seen worse. But still, this is enough to stop. Okay, I can't. In fact, I would get in trouble if I even tried to attempt a repair. Remember, guys, it has a valve train ticking noise. It's small, but it's there, and the customer brought it in for that concern, like it wanted fixed. No, they will not let me attempt a repair. So my suspicion was correct. It's probably worse on this side. I'm only gonna pull one side. I found this side to be easier. Remember, I removed the cam sensor on this side, and I saw sludge particles on it. That's what led me to believe I should go deeper. There's some sludge on this car. So, yeah, ain't nothing we can do to this, guys. It's either engine or nothing at all. Ooh, righty, guys. Here we are. I just about got everything off. They need to come off. I got my chain ready. About to go get the engine horse, but it's time to lift this bad boy out of here, man. I'm just still a bit concerned, guys. This, y'all know about these older cars, man. Just the tiniest thing just break every time you touch it. And on top of that, I'm going in with an older, uglier. Oh, I know you ain't supposed to judge by the looks, but it just looked extremely risky. Now, here's why I'm replacing it in the first place. He's complaining about ticking. So I get authorized teardown time. This is as far as I needed to go to tell what I needed to know. As in, if I see any amount of sludge, not just a little amount, yeah, it's time. We got to recommend an engine, guys. Now, we did that. Now, keep in mind, this is an older car. Yes, the customer said, okay, fix it. Got a deposit and everything. I'm just as shocked as you guys were, but I'm even more shocked about this, guys. This is what I'm going in with. Now, granted, again, we got some type of warranty on the engine, but I just don't like working double. I understand, don't judge this by how it looks, but it just looks extremely rusty, guys. I gotta go for it. I gotta do what I gotta do. Gotta put it in. So I put it in. I made sure it ain't locked up, seized up. That's why I got in trouble the last time. I didn't check it, so I rotated the crankshaft. They rotated. I guess that's good enough for the boss. All right, get it in. And here we are. So here's my engine horse. Let me set my engine horse up, guys. We're gonna get this engine out of here, man. Yes, the rugged life of a. I don't know, man, it's just, let me stop whining, because the older stuff always wind up down here. Now, I understand, like, it's like a 03, so, but this ain't one of those cars that, they figure because I got a DRB, I should be able to diagnose, and they got a point. But this wasn't a drivability issue, like find out why it's missing or hesitating or anything like that. This was merely a ticking noise, a valve train ticking, clattering. So any technician that would have gotten this would have did what I did. Authorized, time to remove the valve cover for further inspection. And when they saw that sludge, they would have recommended the engine. So it's not that I'm the only one can put an engine in. I'm probably the only one they got a scan to that can diagnose. I don't know, man. I feel sound like I'm whining again, so let me stop it. All right, let me set this up, guys. I got a lot of work to do, guys. Y'all stay tuned. Alrighty guys, y'all see I got it out. I was snagging on something, guys. I'm not sure what the hell that was. I can imagine it was just ground wire over here, but I was so frustrated. I just yanked on it and pulled them. Oh my goodness. Ooh, all you young techs, make sure there's something y'all want to do before you get deep off into it, okay? Please make sure this is something you want to do. Now, it's real simple. I was able to leave one mount in. I see. Well, I didn't have it unbolted anyway, so depending on how you look at it. All right, let me get stuff transferred over because some of that stuff on that other engine I'm not going to use. And yeah, guys, this was a pain in the butt, but I got it out. All right. What's next? Break time. That's what's next. I'm about to chill and take a break for a minute, guys. This is mentally draining. Okay, I don't want to sound depressing. I mean, I'm supposed to be inspiring some of you guys. Some of you guys are aspiring mechanics, and if I'm not inspiring, then what good is it? So let me shut this camera off before I don't know, just frustrated sometimes, but I got it out. So okay, that can be considered a good thing. All right, guys, I'm gonna take a break. No, a real break, not just where a commercial come up or ad or something. No. I'm about to go take a real break. And then when I get back, I'll start transferring this stuff over to the other engine and get it back in. I wanted to knock this out as quick as possible. All right, so y'all stay tuned.